Today I will show you how to use a knitting dolly. I saw it in the store and decided to try it. The instructions are printed on the inside. You can see them up close. In the package there are the dolly itself and a plastic tool for knitting. I will use waste cotton yarn for the demonstration. Thread the end of the yarn in a tapestry needle and pull it through the dolly. Hold the end with your hand, then wrap the yarn around the pegs as shown in the video. If you make the cast on this way, you will have to rotate the dolly anti-clockwise while knitting. Take the bottom stitch and pull it over the top one. If you want to rotate the dolly clockwise, make the cast on as shown in the video. In the end, the cord will be the same. If you don't like using the plastic tool that comes with the dolly, you can use a crochet hook. I like to use the orange tool from my knitting machine. Pick the bottom stitch and pull it over the top one, then rotate the dolly and repeat. From time to time you have to pull the cord downwards. After a while, the rope will appear at the bottom of the dolly.
3 hours later.
Continue knitting until the cord becomes the desired length. When you get used to it, you will start knitting faster.
Many hours later.
You can use it as an anti-stress toy, but if you are not a patient person, it can have the opposite effect.
2,000 years later.
To remove the cord from the knitter, cut the yarn and take a tapestry needle. Thread the needle using the end of the yarn and take all the stitches. If you skip this step, the cord will start to unravel as soon as you remove it from the dolly. When you pass the needle through all the stitches, pull the end of the yarn and take out the cord. This is my first cord. I made several mistakes and I need more practice. Now I will compare it to the cord from the knitting mill, and as you can see, they look the same. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.